Hello and welcome. I am Amanda, and today I have a nice, relaxing yoga class for you. So if you've had a busy day or you just want to have a nice start to your morning, this is the perfect class. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's do this. All right, so we're going to start in this nice seated position, however is comfortable for you. Bring your hands to your knees, roll your shoulders back. Shoulder blades are drawing down, chest is proud. Close your eyes and just take a couple deep breaths here. In and out through the nose. So we're just going to tune in to the breath. A very powerful tool for relaxation that we have. And just feel yourself on the mat. The rising and the falling of the chest. The sound of your breath. And then take one more breath here. And then gently open your eyes. Inhale, shrug the shoulders up towards the ears. And exhale, let them fall. Inhale, shrug up. And exhale, drop. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. I'm going to take some seated side stretches here. So inhale the arms up. Press the palms together. Gaze at the thumbs. Feel nice and tall here through the upper body. Exhale, grab a hold of the right wrist and lean to the left. Inhale up through center. Exhale, switch your grip and lean to the right. Inhale up through center. Exhale the arms down and just maybe roll the shoulders, make little circles, shimmy it out. And we're just going to take some circles here with the torso. Inhale on the forward and exhale as you round back. And then we'll try the other direction. And then come back to center. Bring your hands to your heart. Inhale through the nose. And exhale. Sigh it out. One more time. Inhale through the nose. All right. We're going to come to tabletop. So roll forward. The hands come underneath the shoulders. The knees are right underneath the hips. And we're going to take some cat-cows here. So inhale, drop the belly, take the gaze up. Exhale, tuck the tailbone, spread the shoulder blades, tuck the chin. Inhale up, drop the belly. Exhale, look down, tuck the tailbone. So keep going at your own pace here, just doing whatever feels good. You can wiggle side to side, just warming up through the spine, linking all of our movements with breath. And then come back to a nice neutral tabletop here and walk the hands out just a little bit here so you have kind of a wider tabletop. And we're going to take nice hip circles. So inhale as you slide the hips forward. Exhale, press them back. Making nice little circles. And then you can switch your direction. Again, inhaling as you come forward, exhaling as you come back. We got the grasshoppers with us today on the mat. There's always one little critter or another on these outdoor yoga classes. All right, we'll come back to that neutral spine here. So hands again underneath the shoulders, walk them back a little bit. On your inhale, extend your right hand and your left foot back. So engage the core here, left toes pointing down. Gaze is over the right fingers. And exhale down. Other side, inhale the left arm and the right foot. Right toes pointing down. Gaze over the left fingertips. Hold, engage the core. And exhale down. So we're going to take that one more on each side. So inhale, right hand, left foot. Exhale down. Inhale, left hand, right foot. Exhale down. Walk the hands out again. Keep the hips where they are. And exhale, drop the forehead down. So let the chest just melt down. Feeling a nice stretch through the shoulders. Take 2 more breaths here. So if your mind is wandering, just bring it on back to the sound of the breath. On an inhale, come on back to that tabletop position. Inhale the right hand and the left foot back. So same thing that we just did. This time maybe exhale, crunch the knee in towards the elbow. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. And exhale, down. Other side. Inhale the left hand and the right foot back. You can stay here or maybe crunch the elbow towards the knee on the exhale. Inhale, extend. Exhale, crunch. Inhale, extend. And down to tabletop. Walk the hands out and let the head come down. Relax here. Take a nice inhale. And then on your exhale, crawl the hands over towards the right. So you're going to feel a nice side body stretch on the left. Inhale through to center. And then crawl the hands over towards the left on the exhale. And feel a nice stretch on the right. Inhale through to center. And then come back to that tabletop position. Roll forward and we'll come to seated. So we're just going to take a nice forward fold here. Extend the legs out in front of you. Flex the toes. Bring the toes towards the face. Roll the shoulders back. Tuck the belly in. Inhale. And then exhale. Fold forward with a nice long back. And just take a couple breaths here. Try not to let your shoulders crunch up towards your ears, but really just relax. The shoulder blades are drawing down the back. Couple more breaths. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release the feet, cross the legs, and come forward to that tabletop position again. Tuck your toes, and then we'll meet in downward facing dog. So you can pedal out the knees here, spread your fingertips nice and wide, press the shoulders back. The lower belly is drawing in and up. Maybe the heels come down to the mat, maybe they don't, no big deal. Bend your knees as much as you need to. 2 more breaths here. You can shake your head no, shake your head yes. Feels good, releasing any tension. And then come forward to plank. So hands underneath the shoulders. Drop your knees. And then bending at the elbows, keep the elbows close to the ribs as you lower all the way down to the mat. Bring your forearms to the mat, your elbows right underneath your shoulders, bend your knees. And just let your feet Go side to side. It's really a little gentle movement, releasing the lower back. Whew, yes, I need this today. And then we'll bring the feet back down to the mat. Extend the arms out in front of you and just lay on your belly. Maybe your forehead comes to the mat, really reaching through the fingertips. And then exhale, bring the hands back underneath the shoulders this time. Tuck your toes and press up into that tabletop position. And come on back to seated where we started at the beginning of class. And we're just gonna roll those shoulders back again and end with a nice little breathing exercise. So as I said in the beginning, I really just wanted this class to be relaxing and about connecting with the breath and the body. So we're gonna just end with a short little breathing exercise. So close your eyes here. Make sure you roll those shoulders back and you're just seated comfortably. We're gonna inhale through the nose and hold. And then exhale through the nose. So it's pretty basic, just inhaling and holding for 1 or 2 seconds at the top before you exhale. So inhale through the nose, hold 1, 2, and exhale through the nose. And so you can keep going with this for a few more rounds. If you're not into it, just feel free to breathe naturally. Take one more round. And then bring your hands to your heart and just feel your heart beating under your hands. Notice any sensations in the body and how it feels when we just become aware of our breath. Take one inhale through the nose and exhale, sigh out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I hope you enjoyed this just short, relaxing way to connect with yourself and take a little time for you, which you totally deserve. If you like this video, consider subscribing and share it with your friends. I have tons of outdoor yoga classes for you, so I will see you on the mat soon. Mwah.